In this video, I will show you how you can right align an image in different directions and using different methods. So currently I have an HTML and CSS, and the CSS file only contains a very basic for CSS, for example, background color padding, max width, margin, something along those lines. And I have a div, and each div contains an image of a flower, and this current setup looks like this. So first of all, we will right align this image on this position. So in the first method, I will use CSS Grid. So display grid, and justify content should be flex, and flex start takes it to the left side, center to the center, and flex end to push it to the right side. So if I save this and check this, it's right aligned. And for the second example, right align and middle, that means this image will come here. So display grid and justify content. In every section, the justify content would be flex end in this case, and in this case aligned items should be center. So if I save this, you will see it's perfectly aligned. And in the third example, it's right aligned and bottom, that means this image will come here. So display grid and justify content, flex end, and align items should be also flex end. So if I save this, this is how it looks. Can you see how easy it is to align items using display grid? Anyways, I am going to remove all of this and show you how you can align and achieve the same goal using CSS Flexbox. Alright, for this example 1 class, example 1 class, I will use display flex only with this one line. You see, this image is straight, that is stressed, that is default behavior of any web browser. So justify content, flex end. If I save this, you will see that it's right aligned but stressed, and align items should be flex start. So this is how it works. And for the second example, right align and middle, that means this image will come here. So example 2, display flex and justify content, flex end, and align items center. So if I save this, you will see that it's perfectly aligned. For this third example, it's right align and bottom, and that means this image will come here. So I'm going to copy this and change this class name to justify content. Everything else, the justify content will be in the same. Justify content, flex end, and align items should be also flex end. If I save this, this is perfectly aligned. And I am going to also remove all of this once again and achieve this same goal using CSS position. So example 1, position. To use position, you need to make a position relative. This could be any outer div. For example, I have this div. I will use this example one as the relative position and absolutely position image for this image itself. So position relative and img position absolute. Since this image will come here, so this top should be 0 and right should be 0. So top 0 and right is also 0. If I save this, this is aligned just like previous. So in the second example, it's top, right align and middle. That means it will, the image will come here. So I'm going to copy this CSS and transform this into a. So I'm going to copy this CSS and change this class name to example 2, and position related will be the same. And for let me check this, this will come here. So I will push it back from 50% from top, and right should be 0. If I save this and check this, this is pushed to the bottom, but we need to push it back by its own height. So I also have to use transition property. So transform property, transform translate y should be negative 50%. So this will push this image back by its own height. If I refresh this, let me check. Okay, top 50%, right 0. I might missed anything on the previous code. Anyways, now it's working. And for this last example, it's right align and on bottom, so this image will come here. So I'm going to copy this CSS and change this class name and remove it and see how it looks. So this is how it looks. So to right align it, I will use right 0. So and to make it bottom aligned, so I will use bottom 0. So if I save this, this is perfectly aligned. So this is how you can right align an image using CSS Grid, CSS Flexbox and position. So that's it for this video. Thanks.